Leopolds. I'm a sophomore here at Del Val. I'm a zoology major, and this is the Madagascar hissing cockroach. So these guys are actually one of over 4,000 species of cockroach. They are endemic to Madagascar. They usually can live around 2 to 3 years. They grow up to 2 to 3 inches long, so they're pretty little. But these guys get their names from a defense mechanism where they push air out of these spiracles or openings along their abdomens. And this creates like this hissing noise that can be heard up to 12 feet away, which isn't, like we might not think that's a very big distance for a little bug. That's pretty impressive. Well, I'm a big invertebrate fan because invertebrates are like 94% of the percentage of animal biomass, and a big portion of that is made up of arthropods. So that's insects, crustaceans, and arachnids. I think these guys are really good ambassadors for insect conservation, because as I said a little earlier, a big portion of our biomass is made up of guys like these. And when we think about conservation, a lot of times we think about lions, tigers, polar bears, those big megafauna like that. But we can't really protect those guys unless we have these guys to hold up the ecosystems. Because insects like these guys in particular, they are detrivores, which means they break down organic matter and return it to the soil so that plants and other animals can use those nutrients then. So we can't really live without these guys. To entomology, which is a branch of zoology. Entomologists can work anywhere from like zoos and museums to in the field, or even just as pest control workers. Just like any major involved with like environmental science, or I'm a zoology major, so you could use something like that. These guys are really, you can do just about anything with them. So think about what you're interested in with these guys. So if you're interested in like education, think about an internship with a zoo or volunteer at a local museum. These guys are endemic to Madagascar, which means they're not found anywhere else in the world. So they are super specialized to the leaf litter on the forest floor. So cockroaches tend to get a bad rap because they're really associated with like, dirty places and garbage. But that's because they eat decaying matter. But they're really just there to clean it up. And out of those 4,000 species of cockroaches, only about 30 live in association with humans. So just think about that. Roaches are a lot more than just pests. We really can't live without them.